Oh, okay, we're gonna start filming. Okay. Right now I'm in Goldenrod City. I'm about to challenge Gym Leader Whitney. As you can see, my Pokemon are the toughest. Okay, here we go. Now, I hate the people here, but they're not even strong. They're mostly weak. That's why I hate them. Okay, so now I have to battle her first. The only reason it's pink is because it's my sister. So... See, they're just lasses. They suck. Okay, moving on. I should have battled earlier when I was standing over myself. Oh, well. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. If you want to see my team, screenshot. So this is my Pokemon team. Well, Ditto's not really in my team. I just put him in there for a shapeshifting. Neither is Caterpie. Today was a contest. But Nidoking, Meganium, Kadabra, and Ninetales. I'm planning on capturing Latios and Latios since I have an Enigma Stone. These moves are just going to keep knocking them out. Way too strong. Just to tell you, these were the two trainers, and this is just super easy. Anybody who can't pass this is just a fail. Well, I wouldn't say a fail, but just need to upgrade. My Nidoking evolved because my move. Okay, and here we go. Thought she had 3, last time I checked. The fairy, Jigglypuff, but it's actually just the fairy and a Miltank. Too bad, Miltank can use Moon. I'd watch out for rollout and Moon. It can heal itself, so I Pokemon. I think I might use more of these double kick again. Now, Nidoking's power is probably the highest I have right now. And it's done like really well so far. I got this yesterday. As you can see, I trained it really well. And then after you defeat her, she doesn't want to give you the badge. See? And then you're going to try to leave. And then one of the lashes pushes you back, and she's like, oh no, you didn't cry. So you have to go back and get the badge. Yeah. What do you want, a badge? Oh, right, I forgot. Here's the freedom. Well, she finally gives up. So, that's it for today, and see you next time. Okay? And that was a really good time. And I'm done. So...